pag-manage sa information na dili siya misinformation. Juan de la Cruz. Ako di ay ang school-based feeding program focal person sa ato ang DepEd Davao de Oro. So, ako karon na ako na-assign sa division office. Ako ang lead person na monitor sa pag-implement sa school-based feeding program sa ato ang mga eskwelahan sa public school. Okay. So for the past years, the school-based feeding program is a help for most of the public schools in the country, especially in providing quality meals, in helping our learners characterized as malnourished for a feeding program. The school-based feeding program is for elementary learners. Wala po tayong feeding program sa high school. Ang feeding program po natin ay nasa elementary, and this program ran for 120 days.